Inhale, exhale, joint your palm front of the chest like this. So do not push the elbow like this, elbow should be back and relax it down. ऐसे नहीं आगे पुश करना and lift नहीं करना. Then finger should be like this, thumb should be apart from your all fingers. अंगूठा अलग रहेगा like this and center of the chest, not be here. कुछ यहाँ पे करते हैं, कुछ यहाँ पे करते हैं ऐसे like this. Okay, so shoulder again relax. Inhale and exhale in this pose. Then inhale, arms up over the head, palm facing towards to the ceiling. जिनकी बैक बैंड अच्छी है, जो बिगिनर्स नहीं है, जो एडवांस है वो ऐसे रखेंगे. जो बिगिनर्स है they will turn the palm like this, then roll back. Try to bend from the upper back. upper back से bend हो सकते हो, that's better. And eyes should be open, आंखें खुली रखना. And breathing continue. और जिनको सर्वाइकल है, जिनको नेक प्रॉब्लम है या चक्कर आते हैं, they can be do like this. They will look forwards and little bit arch, हल्का सा arch करेंगे सामने देख के. Okay, then exhale, bend forwards with the long spine lengthen, आगे lengthen करते हुए. So hands down beside of the feet for the Padhastasana. Those cannot hands down, they will little bit bend the knees, हल्का सा knees bend करेंगे, but back should be straight. Back should be straight and try to down the palm and forehead towards to the shin, towards to the ankle for the Padhastasana. So now third one, step back your left leg, long your left leg back sides for the Asu Sanchalan. So now this heel should be points, knees should be down. Then the front leg should be, inner knee should be 90, अंदर से जो है 90 में होना चाहिए. Walk your leg forwards, आगे. So knee should not over the ankle, it should be back from the ankle line. घुटना जो है आपके ankle line से पीछे होना चाहिए. So chest should be lifted, your chest not over the thighs. So use the fingertip like this, chest lift करके रखना है. Then chin extended, chest से दूर होनी चाहिए chin, extend and look up towards the ceiling, ऊपर छत को देखना है. Then push your hip down, press hip को down रखना है as much as you can. So your thighs towards to the mat. So exhale back for the mountain pose. So keep close the legs, both feet should be together in the mountain and fingers should be also together like this. But if your palm is slippery, you can separate the fingers and you can hold the outer edges of the mat. अगर किसी की palm slip हो रही है तो उंगलियां खोले ऐसे या बाहर से मैट पकड़ ले. Then after that, then turn this one inside, upper arms inside, shoulder blade in.